Today I'll walk you through how to rotate images in OneNote even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your images so you can enhance your notes and presentations effectively. First, let's get started by opening OneNote. Navigate to the notebook where the image you want to rotate is located. Once you find the image, right-click on it. This action will bring up a menu with various options. Take a moment to look through these options. Now hover your mouse over the rotate menu. You'll see several choices for how you want to rotate your image. You can choose to rotate it to the right or to the left. Click on your preferred option until you achieve the desired orientation. This process is quite similar to adjusting a picture frame to get the perfect angle. It just takes a little tweaking. It's important to note that as of now, OneNote does not offer a feature to rotate images at a custom angle, so you'll need to work within the preset options available. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you've rotated your image to your liking, you can continue to edit your notes or add more images as needed. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how your notes are presented and understood. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.